Hi everyone, I am Judhisti and welcome to Judhisti Rahul. Today we will see the conversation between two friends. One's name is Rakesh and the another is Ramesh. We will discuss the actual conversation between two friends in English. If you watch this video till the end, then I'm sure that you will never fail to make a conversation with your friends. So make sure that you are going to watch this video completely. So let's get going. Hello Rakesh, how are you? Hello Ramesh, I am fine, but how about you? Yes, I'm also doing good. But you were telling about your illness. How do you feel right now? Yes, I was also not feeling well, but I consulted a doctor. He gave me some medicines. After that, I consumed the medicines. Right now, I feel perfectly alright. Okay, that's nice. But tell me one thing. Who is the doctor that you have consulted with? Yeah, sure. His name is Dr. Rahul Kumar and you can find him near the railway station. But tell me one thing. Why do you ask about his name? Yes, I forgot to tell you, one of my uncles is suffering with fever from last night. So I thought I can take him to the doctor whom you have consulted with. Yeah, sure. He is a very good doctor in this town. So you can take your uncle to him. Okay. By the way, why didn't you attend the class yesterday? Tripathi sir was asking about you. Actually, I went to my grandmother's house. That is why I was not able to attend the class. In fact, I have sent a leave letter to the principal. Okay, by the way, we have completed our 8th chapter of our English book. Oh my god, that is the only one chapter that is tough for me. That is 8th chapter. And you guys completed in the day of my absence. Ramesh, can you do one thing for me? Yeah, sure. Tell me what is that. Can you please teach me 8th chapter that I can clear my doubts? Yeah, sure. Why not? Let's get in the home. We will discuss together. Bye bye. We'll meet in the next video. Stay safe and stay tuned.